So a few other YouTubers organized a little epic burger challenge. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to take the show outside and do a little grilling while chilling.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
So here we are. We got a 6-way challenge. We got my man Kenneth over at What's New Barbecue, Kirby's Fish and Grill. We got Rich's River Smokers cooking with CJ. And I think that's it. And myself. I'm gonna link all of those guys' channels down in my description. When we're done here, you make sure you go visit those links down below and you watch all my friends' videos. Give them some love, tell them I sent you. So what does epic mean to me? For me, it's all about paying attention to the ingredients all the way through. I got really good brioche buns. Bun is basically 50% of the sandwich, so you've gotta pay attention to the bun. You gotta make sure that the proportions are not too crazy. It's not too much bun or too much meat, or vice versa. I got really good freshly ground short rib and ground chuck. Told my guy to grind up about a half a pound of short rib. Please don't go to the supermarket and buy prepackaged branded ground beef. Don't know how old it is, you don't know how it was made, you don't know what it was made with. Make sure you go to a good, reliable butcher and get good beef, especially when it's ground. Don't play around with the ground. I've got onions, which I'm gonna caramelize slowly and get them really delicious. I've got pickled jalapenos. I'm gonna make a sauce. I'm gonna make my sauce, snack sauce. We're gonna be grilling while chilling. These are some like little wax cubes that help start the coals, start the chimney. While they all kind of get up to temperature to sear the burger, I'm gonna be cooking onions. Like a tablespoon of butter. Softening up. So this is gonna go for a while. I wanna form patties. When these start to get a little caramelized, then I'm gonna start to cook the burgers. I have short rib and ground chuck. I'm gonna combine half of the short rib with half of the ground chuck and make a combination of the two for each of the patties. Don't smash it together, just gently let it come together. You want to form a burger wider than the bun. Don't try and think that the bun is the shape that you want to form the patty at. You want to form it wider because the burger will naturally shrink up. About a 1/4 pound patty. Okay, we've got the burgers, patties made and formed. This is well on its way to caramelizing. We're gonna keep an eye on it. If it gets too hot, there's a space where there's no coals on, an indirect heat area that we could just slide it off and let it simmer. We don't want it to cook too hot, then it'll burn. We want the slow cooking to bring out the sugars that then make it sort of like this beautiful mahogany brown onion. Almost. Right here I've got about a 1/4 cup of mayo, about a tablespoon of ketchup, and then a bunch of dabs of your favorite hot sauce. I used Frank's Red Hot. I happen to be a fan. Now we're gonna add chopped pickled jalapenos, and then a little bit of the jalapeno pickle juice, maybe like a tablespoon. Pinch of salt, a little bit of mustard, and then black pepper. It's my version of like a Shake Shack sauce or an In-N-Out sauce. Everybody's got one. I got one now too. It's called snack sauce. So it's like an onion butter. The beat. I'd say it's epic. The cheeses work really well together. The meat is rich because it was basted in butter. The onions are super rich, but the pickled jalapeno, the acidity of that kind of helps cut the richness, as does the potato chip because it's salt and vinegar, so that acidity kind of helps. And the potato chip has crunch. Make sure you check out everyone's channel down in the description. Their video should be out now. Give them a watch, show them some love. That's it. I hope you like the burger challenge. Hope you thought my burger was epic. I'm sure the other guys' burgers are epic as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. If you're new here, say hello. I'll see you next time in the kitchen, or it could be outside. You never know.